How to fix some keys are not working on your keyboard here on your account or on your PC. For this, open your setting and click on the start button and simply search for the device manager. Here you have to enter or open the device manager in front of you. Then click on the keyboard section here on device manager. Once you have clicked on the keyboard, here you will be opened all the setting and details about your keyboard right now or the keyboard. You should click on update a driver. You can update your driver if your keyboard is not working, if your keyboard is not working and not linking to your PC nicely. Then it will redirect you to the update, that is a window update. You can simply update your window, and then after updating all of the setting, application, your keyboard and your windows, and at last you will have to check that if your keyboard is working good or not right now. If not, you can simply download any other third party keyboard, online keyboard available on the browser. After doing this update, you won't face any type of error like this whenever you will see it. As you can see, there is nothing or not available problem in my PC or keyboard right now. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates, reviews and videos like this.